play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Y'all, I'm finally back. I am back into routine with things. I did Halloween edition, and oh my god, I did so many videos in October. I had to get me a week, okay? So I hope you guys understand. But like I said, I'm back. Of course, you know, if you see me, I have a new unit and I'm absolutely excited. This earring getting on my nerve. I actually had this style before. I just got a different color, or, you know, well, basically it's a different color. Let me not waste y'all time. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna give y'all the details of this unit. I got this unit August the 28th. So I literally held on to this unit for like, what, 2 months? So back in August, I did pay $23.97 on this unit. So my budget for my content is $20 or less. So I literally went over the limit, and that's okay. I'm okay. Long as it's not over like $30. I'm not gonna spend $30 on a synthetic wig. Sorry. This unit is $23. I am okay with that. I am okay. Anything 23, 24, 25 is kind of pushing it, okay? Of course, you know this is a synthetic unit, and it is 26 inches. Has a green on one side. It has like a green, I'm gonna call it peekaboo because I don't know what else to call it, okay? So it's gonna be a peekaboo. Absolutely love the unit. It did well. Clean up to, you know, me taking it out, it was still good. Even though it was a synthetic unit, it's really a good synthetic unit. But I'm gonna straighten it, and I'm also gonna try a new product that I got from Temu, and I'm excited about that. So let me stop talking about everything, this unit, and I want to show you guys this unit, okay? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Hey. Okay, I'm done. I do a lot of hair, like my own hair. I've been doing hair since I was in junior high, possibly. Just, it wasn't the best then. I'm gonna be honest. It just was not good then. We was making it do what it do back then. But I was doing my hair. That's the point I'm getting to right now. One thing that I don't know how to do out of everything with hair, I don't know how to braid. I can do box braid, micro braids, you know, plaits, but I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to do corn rolls, feed-in braid. I don't even know the terminology for braids, you feel me? Like when it comes to like corn rolls and feed-in braid, I don't know, y'all. But I'm saying this because I braided. I'm trying to practice. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, and so I did it. Y'all, this is this my braid. Y'all see it? I don't know how to braid, and it's sad. Somebody asked me, like, you don't know how to braid? You do hair, but you don't know how to braid? That don't make sense. It don't make sense to me either. It just don't. Instead of doing my twist that I normally do underneath my stocking cap, baby, we got 4 braids. Some ugly braids. Let's go ahead and let me show you guys this beautiful unit. Shall we? Oh my gosh, that green is lime. This is a lime green. Whoa. Excuse me, ma'am. Don't forget to take the gut out, okay? Look at this, you guys. I love this unit. Like I said, I already tried this unit. I already put it in, but just not this color. Overall, I love this unit. I just want to style it a different way. So let's get into the details. Girl, that is a lime green color. I'm thinking it was just, you know, like a regular green, but nope, baby. Nope, it's lime. So we have 2 combs right here. And we also have 1 comb in the back along with the adjustable straps. Dang, I'm ashy. Y'all see that ashiness? Ooh, girl, let me put some lotion on real quick. I'm embarrassing myself right now. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. 26 inches. She is very, very, very soft. I love it. She's soft and I love the curl pattern. That's why I'm trying to see, do I really want to straighten it or do I just want to like keep this? 'Cause you guys know I do have an obsession with Temu. I will be straightening. What is straightening? We're going to be using a new tool to straighten the hair instead of a flat iron. You know, I got this from Temu. This is a, girl, what is this? I'm just getting stuff, but I know the purpose. I know the purpose of this, okay? This is a, well, I don't say what it is. It straightens your hair. And so this is what it is right now. I do have it on. It is a little warm. You can adjust it to like your natural hair along with the synthetic wigs. If you use the synthetic wig and you're not familiar if it takes heat or not, turn it down. You don't want to melt your hair. But if you have your natural hair, it's okay. You can turn it all the way up. But if you don't want that much heat on your hair, you can turn it down. I like this little device. So I'm so excited to try this, okay? But like I say, in all my videos, everything that I use is in the description box. So if you want to purchase this, which is really, really cheap. This was cheap. Y'all know I like cheap, right? Y'all know I'm cheap. I am cheap. This was cheap. It's not too often that I pull out a new one. I pull out a new stocking cap. I don't do that a lot. You know what I'm saying? Mainly because I reuse them. And I kind of want a fresh one now. So, alright. So, I already got my hair braided. And so, braided. Because that's what it is. It's braided. Because it sure ain't no braids. But let's go ahead and put this stocking cap on, baby. My foundation, and this is from Shein. All the information in the description box, y'all. This is like down to the bottom, but whatever. So my color that I got is sandalwood. Any skin tone color, it doesn't matter, white, black, Mexican, it don't matter what's your skin color, they got one for you, for real. Normally I'm a mocha color, and sandalwood from like Shein, this is so perfect. Like, I love the way that it looks on my skin, baby. If you're not familiar on what your skin color is, whenever you do order, they have samples. You can order a lot of samples. I think they're like $1, I believe. $1 for a little sample of their foundation, and I had got like $10 worth of samples, and this was the closest I had got out of all of them, and so I chose this and I bought the big bottle. The link will be in the description box. So this is all I'm gonna do. It is a middle part, so I made sure that this is good. Right here, I'm not too concerned about it because, like I wear my hair down. Like, all my units, well, I try to. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I'm not gonna put any foundation on the lace. I'm gonna wait until after. You can do it before. You could put your foundation on there now, or you can do it after. In my case, I'm doing it after. Woo! Look at that, girl. This is so bright. What? And get this hair out the face. Okay. It comes a little pre-plucked, but I am Still going to pluck, but first I'm gonna go ahead voice crack. Go ahead and I'm going to lay the lace down. I am gonna go in with my melting spray. Oops. I'm going to go in with my band. Y'all, I promise I'm gonna order some more bands. This is just ridiculous on how dirty my bands are. Why did it just wipe my forehead like that? Like, what? Alright, and I'm gonna keep that on for 10 minutes. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this lace. Ooh. Okay, so that is what that looks like. If you were to not pluck it, you want to wear it just like this, which is not bad. It's not that bad. But unfortunately, I am going to pluck this unit because why? We just wanted to make it look a little bit decent. Just a little. Not saying that this is not decent, because baby, it is. This looks really, really good. Less work. I'm loving it. But unfortunately, the way my content's set up, I gotta pluck. To be honest, I'm not like the best when it comes to plucking. It is what it is. I'm just not that good at it. But you know, as you practice, like with my braids, you practice, you'll get better and better and better. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up just because you say, oh, I can't pluck. I'm never gonna do that. Do you know? Have you tried? And I'm not saying just try one time. I'm saying, baby, you got to continue on trying. Continue trying. Anyway. So let's go ahead and comb some of this extra hair out. Like, it's bald right there. Y'all see that bald spot right there? Girl, that's what I get. I plucked too much right there. Oh, yeah, I plucked a little too much. It's okay. I'm okay with it. Are you okay with it? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put some foundation, which is my liquid foundation, on this middle part. Without straightening it, this is what it looks like. It is very, very, very bright. A lime green. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick. And I am going to put it right here in the part. Flatten this with my hot comb. My powdered foundation, and I'm just gonna put some right here in front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use this and I'm going to straighten it. So I got this section. And I'm gonna make sure I comb it through. And I'm gonna go in with this. And I am going to go down. And I'm gonna straighten it. Wait, maybe I need to turn it up a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna work out. We ain't got no choice but to make this work. Okay. She's straightening though. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I love that. Okay. Let me go ahead and straighten the rest of this hair. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all my finished product. And also my review on this wig, okay?
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess.
Girl. She's straight, she's bone straight, and let's talk about this product. Let's just talk about the whole thing, okay? So everything that I've done off camera, I cut layers in it just a little bit. I didn't cut much. And this product right here, this right here, I love this. Like, baby, she did so good. Literally straightened the hair. So can you imagine what it does with the natural hair? Oh, baby, this is a 10 out of 10. I'm absolutely loving it. It's worth every penny. Okay, but like I said, I already wore this hair before, and this is really the same hair but just a different color. And I also straightened it. I didn't know it can take that much heat, but it did. Like, I really have nothing bad to say about this hair. We love the lime green. Do y'all see that? Look how cute that is. It's literally a peekaboo. It's not too much. So if you don't like color like that, you just want a little pop of color, this is a perfect unit. Okay, plucking was great. I didn't mess up. Like, the first time I wore this unit, y'all, I put a hole in this unit, the first one. I don't know if you guys remember that or not. So I did this side. If you guys can tell, the lace kind of ripped a little right here. And all I did was put the melting spray on there and, you know, let it lay down. It's okay. It just, this lace is very thin. Yeah, I poked a hole in it. I did it. I did that. But I was real delicate with this unit. It came out good, okay? This straight, I would literally give this a 10. It is wonderful. I love it. It's cute. It's very cute. I guess that is it for this unit. If you want this unit, make sure you go in the description box. All the link to everything that I've used in this video is in the description box, including this. Baby, this is gold. This is like literally legit the best thing ever. I'm so happy. I love this. Until next time, you guys, thank y'all so much. And if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Bye, y'all.
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block.